Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French croissants. First, let's start with the dough. You'll combine 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 milliliters of cold water, 150 milliliters of cold milk, 60 grams of sugar, 10 grams of active dry yeast, and 10 grams of salt. Mix until just combined, then knead for about 2 minutes. Form it into a ball, cover, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. While it chills, prepare your butter block by shaping 250 grams of cold butter into a 16-centimeter square. Now for the crucial lamination process, which creates those beautiful layers. Roll your chilled dough into a 20-centimeter by 40-centimeter rectangle. Place the butter block in the center, fold the dough over to enclose it, and seal the edges completely. Roll this out again to a 20-centimeter by 60-centimeter rectangle. Perform a letter fold by folding 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the other third over that. Chill for 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling and folding 2 more times, chilling after each fold. With your laminated dough ready, it's time to shape. Roll the dough out to a rectangle about 3 millimeters thick. Trim the edges to create clean lines. Now, cut the dough into triangles, each with a base of about 8 centimeters and a length of 25 centimeters. Starting from the wide base, gently roll each triangle towards the tip, creating that iconic crescent shape. Place them on a baking sheet, cover loosely, and let them proof in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours, until visibly puffy. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Baking. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently brush the proofed croissants with an egg wash, which is 1 egg whisked with a tablespoon of water, for that beautiful golden sheen. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are a deep, rich golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes, before enjoying your perfectly flaky, homemade French croissants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.